It's day 2 at Chota Mangwa, and I am out on a walk with Sushant again, and he's taking me to waterfalls nearby, which I'm really excited to, take some shots, some good shots for this video. And this entire journey, this pathway that I'm walking is too calm and quiet and a little uphill, so a little tiresome, but then it's okay when you have a point to view like a waterfall. It's okay to go with this. Anyway, enjoy this walk, enjoy this journey with me in my vlog.
This entire trekking journey is beautiful. At the same time, it's a little tiring. It takes around 1 hour to walk down to the waterfall with Picture Square Mountain around you and the forest area from where you need to trek down. That was quite a challenge for me. I was scared at some point because it was raining before I started this trek and the entire place was quite wet, so I was slipping sometimes. Overall, it was a great experience and I was so thrilled to get the view of the waterfall that all the things faded away the moment I get to see the waterfall. So here comes the end of my journey, and I believe whoever watched the part 1 and the part 2 can understand how much thrilled and happy I was at the end of the trip. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment below your feedback, and to watch more such Wanderlust stories, press the red subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss a video every time I post it. See you in another Wanderlust story, another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.